Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So it's a video about Java. It's a trick question in Java. So I want you to watch this video and think about the answer of this question. So here we have a simple code where integer a equals to 123 and integer b equals to 123, and we are simply printing the output of a equals to b. Since a is equals to b, the output should be true, right? Let's see the output. What's the output? It is indeed true. Since a is equals to b, both are 123. But if I change 123 to 223, what will be the output? Let's see. The output is false now. Why it's happening? When when their values were 123, the output was true. But now since I've changed the value to 223, the output is false. Why it's happening? In Java, the how is memory stored, right? And the primitive types are stored in stack memory, and the objects are stored in heap memory. And when we compare two heap objects, they are compared to to each other through their reference values. They are not compared to each other through their actual values. They are compared through reference values. But why this compiler is treating 223 as objects, as the objects of the classes, and 123 as the primitive type? Here I'm using an integer class. I'm using a as an object of the integer class. It's a wrapper class of the int, right? So then why when I initialize the value of a and b as 123, why the output is true and the output is false when I use the value as 223? Why it's happening? The thing is, what Java compiler does is it stores the value of wrapper class objects whose values are between 127 to 1 are stored as primitive types, and the values which are larger than 127 are stored as heap objects. So the memory now is actually stored in heap memory. But if I change the value of A and B as 123 or something below 127, the output would be true. So it was a little trick question. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.